Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder marked by deficits in reciprocal social communication and the presence of restricted and repetitive patterns of behavior.
Autism is a spectrum of disease that is well known. World Health Organization said that in every 100 children that are born, one of them will be autistic. And most of the time, the causes are unknown. We call it idiopathics in medical term. But sometimes, a few of them, they have genetic related problems.
April is a month where the whole world comes together to spread awareness on autism. South Sudan is not left out on this, as it also has cases of autism present.
أنا أسمع امبارح برنامج في راديو تاع بركة عن كلينيك تاع إيتيرو ده يا هوانا يجيبوا بنية تاعي مستشفى ده سايدو أنا فهم حالة تاع بنية تاعي ده بنية ده بيسايدو في كلام تاع أسنان تاعيال جانا ما بقدر ونسو وحاجات تانين.
This day is one that we've been longing to have, and we are finally so happy to have it and to mark the auspicious awareness for autism in this Autism Awareness Month of April.
Autism is clinically referred to as spectrum disorder, meaning that it can be manifested differently in each person. In the heart of Juba, South Sudan, lies a hospital with a difference. This hospital believes in taking healthcare beyond the boundaries of traditional treatment. Welcome to Iteru Medical Center, where compassion meets innovation. The hospital has a holistic haven designed for children with autism, offering dental care, speech therapy, psychological therapy, and pediatrics under one roof. Inspired by a collective spirit of empathy, Iteru forms a long-term collaboration with Beyond Love, an organization that is dedicated to helping children living with autism in order to make a difference in the lives of such children and their families.
We did a walk here in Juba for Autism Day, and through that walk, that's when I got in touch with the manager of Iteru Medical Center, and that has actually been the best because we are now doing partnership with them. They are going to offer us in terms of medical services. But at my center, we are only doing the occupational therapy, the learning, because for our kids, most of them don't get to learn things easily. It's very hard for them even to brush their teeth, put on their clothes, stuff like that. And they're also very hyper. They're very hyperactive. So at the center, that's what we're able to do. But right now, with Iteru, we're looking at it in the medical perspective.
The hospital's compassionate team of doctors, therapists, and support staff dedicated themselves to creating a welcoming environment specifically designed to meet the needs of children with autism.
Okay, when you're saying letter M, you say ma. Your lips will touch, like this. Ma. Okay. Lemon.
So far, the kids have seen, I think they are responding very well, and their parents also are pushing forward in order to see their children get quality treatment.
In the dental care area, skilled dentists gently introduce children to dental hygiene, ensuring comforting and guided experience.
We've seen a lot of cases from different ages and kids who had autistic and Down syndromes who had never been, some of them, to a dentist before. It was such a lovely day, and kids were kind of naughty, of course, and imagine kids who have never been to a dentist and an autistic problematic kid. So it was quite nice day.
The children eagerly explore the center, eyes wide with wonder as they discover colorful play area, sensory rooms, and interactive learning spaces designed to stimulate their minds and nurture their spirits. At Iteru Medical Center, children with autism embark on a journey of growth, support, and empowerment. Each child is seen as an individual with unique strength and potential waiting to be unleashed. In a calming and child-friendly environment, dedicated doctors and specialists conduct thorough assessment to understand each child's medical needs, ensuring personalized care plans are created.
What the center is doing is very essential, providing a safe haven for children with autism, and at the same time providing services for them, supporting them and supporting their parents, giving them the instruments, the tools that they do need, so that these children can have a prosperous and fruitful life, not just living on the edge of another disaster or another problem.
Helping these children need collective effort, so there is a call to action to local businesses, schools and community organizations to build partnerships that will foster understanding, acceptance and integration of children with autism.
This is a call to parents out there who have their autistic kids. Please don't hide the kids. These are kids who need love, they need support, they need care. And we instead would like to encourage you to reach out through Beyond Love or directly through Iteru Medical Center. We're here to support you in terms of health.
The hospital has developed programs that focus on developing social and life skills alongside medical interventions, as well as collaborations with the community to create an inclusive environment that embraces these children.
I can say that their services are excellent. They have a very friendly and dedicated staff. I've just done a procedure for my son. We did the dental because we are having a lot of issues with brushing his teeth. So I've seen how friendly their staff are. They're very also hands-on. They're very friendly with the kids, because these kids sometimes they need people they can trust easily and they interact with. So it has really been good. I've met the pediatrician. I was able also to see the occupational therapist. I also met the speech therapist. You know, most of our kids that I know so far, most of them are non-verbal. So we are still struggling with the speech. So that's where Iteru is really giving us, it's really helping us there.
There is need to create awareness and educational sessions that foster empathy while dispelling myths and stereotypes.
People need not to claim that it's because of witchcraft or because of whatever. Sometimes it's really unknown. So being autistic, having a parents who have an autistic child, you need to know that sometimes it's not you need to be blamed. It is just a condition that comes without being knowing the cause.
ممكن في جنة زيرة عنده مواهب تاني بدفنه لأنه ما بعرفه جنة دي بس بقولوا جنة دي ما بنفع بقول جنة دي خلاص نهايته بس بيجاني زي ده لحد بموت لكن جنة دي عنده حاجات الناس ما بعرف دار كده شجعوا أمهات شجعوا جنة دي ذاته عشان هو بقدر واجه المجتمع لأنه نظرة مجتمع الناس زي ده بيقولوا ما عنده شغل لكن هم عندهم شغل.
We have partnerships with most insurance companies, insurance aiding our hospital to focus on preventive care and early intervention, as better patients' health translates to reduced long-term medical expenses. This proactive approach benefits both hospitals and patients in the long run. In a world where acceptance and inclusion are sought after, Iteru Medical Center stands as a beacon of hope for children with autism and their families, a place where extraordinary care and community integration go hand in hand. There is need for a shared commitment to make a positive impact, a mission to provide comprehensive care for children with autism and help them seamlessly integrate into society.
أنا داير منظمات كده دخلوا في لازم كلام ده ونسوا كله مع مرة حالات عيال الزيدين دايرين مدرسة يعني أنا ما لقوا سبيش لجنة تعيده كويس في محلات أنا دوروا بعمل لهم لغة إشارة لكن أنا أعرف جنة تعيده مثلا هو بعرف ونسوا لأنه هو جنة دي موية كان يتسلموا مرات بقول لي كويس هو بقول عاي.
There's so many children in South Sudan who are on the spectrum, who have learning disability. It's not even autism alone. We have children on Down syndrome, we have children with cerebral palsy, and they all need all these facilities for them to live a normal life, for them to live a life that's inclusive, for them to be accepted in our societies. So we need people to come in and support us. To be honest, I will call upon our government to come in and support such initiative because it will help our children. I will also call upon the NGO world So many of them are doing this other intervention, but they've really kept quiet on these children with these conditions. We need them to come out. We are here on the ground. We need their help. We need them to come in and be able to support our children.
We are asking you to please reach out to Iteru Medical Center for care of any autistic kids. We'll help you with the dental hygiene. We'll help you with the counseling and psychiatric support. We'll help you with the speech therapy. We have our physiotherapy assistants who are also trained in speech therapy. So you're welcome. The doors are open at Iteru.
Today, let's embark on a journey of compassion and unity. Let's support children with autism and their families, as well as educate and empower the community to embrace neurodiversity.